Hey guys, we're back again for a battery replacement tutorial, and this is for the S20 Ultra. To do a battery replacement on a Samsung device, you either need a heat gun or a hot plate, or you can even use alcohol, but I tend to use a heat gun because that's the most common tool that you can purchase for your repair. If you do not have a heat gun, you can use a hairdryer that will work also. I know using alcohol works, but I don't like the idea of putting a liquid inside your device. You can damage something without seeing it, and that's a no-no for me. When you have enough heat going through the screen to soften the glue on the back of the battery, you can start to apply some pressure with your metal tool in order to start the removal process. In the beginning, it is going to be a little bit hard to start the battery moving, but if you keep applying a small pressure constantly, you're going to see your battery lifting itself up. Once you have a little bit of a gap between the battery and the frame of the device, you can insert a second tool to help you have enough leverage so that the battery can be removed in a few minutes. The main point of using a second tool is that you can put the second tool in another area of the battery so that you do not apply all the pressure in one single point of the battery. You can even hear the glue stretching, and that means the battery is getting out slowly but surely. If you like these repair videos, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and share our content to the world. Check the link into the description for the tools and part that you need to complete this repair. At this point, everything has been done. You just have to pull the battery by hand now, and we can remove it. Fast forward, I have reinstalled everything on this device, S20 Ultra, and we are ready to install the battery last. To install the battery is very easy if you use a heat gun or a hairdryer to remove it, because you still have some glue on the back of the battery. You do not need to purchase any glue, and you can just reuse the glue that is still on the back of the battery. Just insert your battery inside the frame of the device and push it up or down so that the cable is near the connection that it has to land in. Once you're sure that the battery cable is close to the connection, you can start to apply a little bit of pressure all around the battery so that the glue on the back starts to stick firmly onto the frame of the device. So we have inserted all the flex cable on this device, and the remaining flex cable is the battery. The battery replacement is done. Next time.